Lomo saltado recipe. Ingredients: beef loin, yellow bell pepper, tomato, red onion, potato, ginger, garlic, cilantro, chips, soy sauce, oil, rice. We start by cutting and chopping the ingredients because this recipe doesn't take much time to cook. We start with the potatoes, cutting them all, and then we will be cooking them. We will season and put in the oven. I'm cutting the onion into wedges like the tomato. I am slicing the yellow bell pepper into julienne strips. Now I'm chopping the cilantro and chives. And finally cutting the beef loin into pieces. I'm adding salt, ginger, and garlic to the meat. Put the meat in the very hot pan. Saute the meat for a few seconds. After removing the meat, add the onion, yellow bell pepper strips, and tomatoes to the same pan. We leave it sauteing for a few seconds. Then add the meat and the soy sauce. With the stove turned off, we'll be adding the cilantro. And when serving, add the chives.